Flat Cap Chef showing you how to do scrambled eggs in under 4 minutes. So let's get down to it. So we have 2 eggs, oops, 1 plastic bowl. Crack the eggs, doesn't matter if you break them because we're going to scramble them anyway. One, 2, a little grounded pepper, a splash of milk just to make it go a little bit further, 1 fork. Now, because we're doing scrambled, it doesn't matter, you don't need to get it absolutely all mixed together. You just want to break the eggs into the yolk so it looks like that. Really, really simple. Okay. Then it's into the microwave. I'm setting this at 50 seconds. Here we go. It's a bit loud, so 50 seconds is what it takes, and we're basically going to do 50 seconds, then 40, then 30. So 5, 4, 3, really easy to remember. I'm using a plastic bowl. That's actually a recycled bowl from the kids. It's a children's little plastic feeding bowl, but basically you put anything that isn't going to have metal on it into the microwave, and that's all you need. So for example, if I was to use this is actually a very pretty bowl, but it has these bits on it which are metal, and that would mean that it sparks and could pretty potentially damage your microwave. So you only want to use plastic or ceramic, some kind of non-metallic element in the microwave to do this. So it's 50 seconds, and we've got 1 second to go. Let's come back down, open up, and what you can see is it's already started to create that scrambled egg look. So what I'm going to do is scrape it away from the sides, back into the microwave, 40 seconds, and we're off. So this is so easy to do. It's scrambled eggs in under 4 minutes, 50 seconds, 40 seconds, 30 seconds, and you'll find that it cooks on the outside of the bowl first, so then we need to get it out and just kind of scrape it and mix it together so we get that lovely texture of scrambled egg. So there should be a little bit of white showing, and the yolk, the yellow, and then we've got some toast on at the moment, so just a simple piece of toast to pop it onto, and we're going to have a breakfast in under 5 minutes. Which has got to be good. How long will it go? 4 seconds to go. Let's come back down. Okay, there we go. See, it's now really starting to look like scrambled egg. Take it away from the side. We've got this liquid, so just mixing this liquid around. There we go. Break it up so you get some nice small pieces. Don't want great big lumps of egg. Then we pop it back into the mic. Just 30 seconds underway. If you want to, you can add maybe a little bit of chili into this as you create the original mixture, or you could add a bit of cheese, a bit of grated cheese, just maybe a tablespoon, dessert spoonful of grated cheese. Mix that in at the early stages, and that will give you a lovely cheesy scrambled egg. So there's all kinds of variants that you can bring into play here. We're going to do it on the plate with some crispy bacon. You can check the video on how to do bacon. It's on the site. And a little bit of ketchup. So here we go, let's get it out. Lovely, fluffy scrambled egg. Okay, so let's just take this out. We'll pop it onto the plate. So here we go. Close the microwave, and we're out. And we're going to just look at this on the plate now. Here we go. Scrambled egg. A couple of pieces of crispy bacon across the top. A lovely artistic squirt of ketchup. And that is scrambled egg breakfast in under 5 minutes. Sorted.